So this is how to transfer an investment account from BMO or the Bank of Montreal to Wealthsimple. Once you guys open up Wealthsimple at the bottom, select on the transfer icon or the arrows heading in opposite directions icon. Once you're here, scroll down to where it says accounts and then press on transfer account to Wealthsimple. Then press on get started. Once you're here under most popular, if you were to scroll down a little bit here, you will come across the Bank of Montreal or BMO. Then go ahead and press it. Once you're here, you can then select on, or you can answer the question, where are your investments held at Bank of Montreal? So there's different options here, BMO Investor Line or Advice Direct, BMO Nesbitt Burns, BMO Online Banking, I'm not sure. I'm just going to go ahead and press the top one for an example, then press on Next. Once you're here, you can then sign into the Bank of Montreal for a faster experience through the app, or you can go to the bottom and enter the information manually, which is what I will be doing. Then once you're here, you can select an account that you want to transfer. So for this example, I will just select the RRSP account and then press on Next. Then once you're here, you can fill in and answer the requiring information or the following information that is required. Once that is done, you will then be able to transfer your investment account from BMO or the Bank of Montreal over to Wealthsimple successfully. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.